associated atrophy of the legs and loss of muscle. The frightening thing comes next. This silent illness has the potential to reduce your life expectancy, increase your risk of falls, and take away your independence if left untreated. Here's the good news, though. A potent, drug-free method of retaliation exists. It only takes a few minutes each day, in the comfort of your own home, and is easy and safe. I can say this with confidence because I am a medical professional with more than 30 years of experience in senior health. The body roller is one of the most underappreciated devices for strengthening your muscles, easing joint discomfort, and reversing muscular weakness. Let us examine why elders worldwide are benefiting greatly from this tiny gadget. Muscle loss after age 60 is a hidden threat. Your body begins to lose muscle mass at a startling rate beyond the age of 60, often as much as 1% to 2% annually. One of the primary causes of older persons' difficulty walking long distances, discomfort and stiffness after little activity, loss of balance, and increased risk of falls is a condition known as sarcopenia. Even worse, pain is not necessarily the initial symptom of muscle loss. The majority of people do not recognize what is going on until after a hospitalization, accident, or fall. And reconsider if you believe that rest is the solution. Inaction merely exacerbates the situation. Your muscles deteriorate faster the less you move. However, that does not imply that you must work out for hours on end. There is a more intelligent way. The clever answer. For senior citizens, body rolling. Exercise alone is not enough to stop muscle loss and increase joint mobility. It is using circulation, massage, and fascia release to activate and relax your muscle tissues. The body roller is useful in this situation. This easy-to-use tool, which is used by physical therapists and rehabilitation facilities all across the United States, helps to release stiff tissue, increase blood flow, enhance mobility, and accelerate recovery by gently rolling over tense muscles, stiff joints, and exhausted legs. It is similar to getting a deep, therapeutic massage for your muscles without ever leaving your house. 6 significant advantages for senior citizens. First, it eases joint and muscle pain. Chronic pain in the back, hips, knees, and calves can be lessened by body rolling targets, trigger points, and tight muscle fibers. Make it simpler to stand, bend, and walk by releasing tense joints. After just a few sessions, seniors frequently report feeling less uncomfortable and having more mobility. Secondly, it enhances blood circulation. Rolling helps your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, promotes faster healing, and lessens inflammation and swelling by stimulating tiny blood channels and capillaries. Seniors with diabetes or heart issues will particularly benefit from this. 3. Restores range of motion and flexibility. The fascia is stretched and softened by body rolling. Your body's connective tissue, enabling greater range of motion in your joints. With time, you might experience better posture and coordination, less stiffness when waking up in the morning, easier mobility when performing daily tasks, decreased stress, and increased relaxation. Using a body roller to massage yourself releases endorphins, which are your body's natural analgesics. Enhances the quality of sleep, lowers anxiety, and relaxes the nervous system. Many elderly people report that rolling helps them sleep better and feel more at ease. 5. It facilitates recovery and warming up. Following an activity. Body rolling helps you warm up your muscles before an activity, avoid pain and stiffness afterwards, recover more quickly, and feel less exhausted if you want to stroll, garden, or do gentle yoga. Supports the health of your immune system and lymphatic system. The lymphatic system, which supports immunological function and eliminates toxins, is stimulated by rolling, which is particularly beneficial as we age. How to use a body roller safely and who should use one. Ideal for elderly people who have problems walking, bending, or getting up, have joint stiffness in the back, hips, or knees, have tight muscles and weak legs, suffer from chronic weariness, or have poor circulation. Advice on safety. Always apply light pressure first. Steer clear of rolling directly onto the spine, bones, or joints. Each session should start at 5 to 10 minutes. Use at night to unwind or in the morning to loosen up. For the first time, ask a therapist or caregiver for help. Important. See your doctor before beginning if you have heart issues, osteoporosis, arthritis, or are taking blood thinners. The lesson is that a simple tool may make a tremendous difference. A gym is not necessary. You do not require painkillers. You do not have to put up with weak joints and stiff legs. Regaining strength, self-assurance, and mobility from the comfort of your own home is possible with the Body Roller, a gentle, reasonably priced, and effective method. You can walk for just 10 minutes each day. More stable, have better sleep, experience less discomfort, feel more resilient, and have greater independence.